The next on the list is to give your package name. Champion 1, you can give champion, champion package. Bullet package, and armor package. So we have three package here: champion, the champion package, the champion package, the bullet package, and the armor package. That's what we name our payment. And this is the name, and we can describe it, describe the details of your offering. Now for our, what is it called, our number one gig, we need to write this out. To the image only. Premium image. Plus HTML. So this is how I'm going to write it. As you can see, this is how you are going to do it. So after doing it like this, you choose the delivery time. I'll deliver this within 24 hours, within 24 hours, and within 2 days. The next thing we are going to do now, after filling our information, is to click next and continue. And if there's any issue, additional revision, you can ignore this and click next and continue. Save and continue.